viewers, welcome to Explore Kids World. Today we are going to explore how to draw Zentangle art. I have did some Zentangle. Today I am going to teach you how to draw Zentangle. Let's go. The items we needed for Zentangle art are paper, scale, pencil and an eraser. First draw outline. Draw lines equally spaced to form 8 boxes. Then in this line mark the center portion for this too. Now draw the diamond. Erase the extra lines inside the diamond. Darken the other lines. Now let's draw the diagonal lines. Next step is to draw lines like triangle but little slanting. Draw next line from the intersecting point. Again, draw the next line from the intersecting point but a little slanting. Now continue doing it. It should not go outside the line, so erase it. Make sure the line should not go out. We have did our first Zentangle art. I have used scale. You can also draw with free hand because it is very fast to draw and don't shake your hand. Now let's do the second box. Now we have finished one full box. We have to continue for the rest of the boxes. Now let's start the next triangle box. Start from this point. We have completed this triangle box. First we started over here for this. Now we'll start over here. I have completed two boxes. Now we can take either one, this or this. I am taking this box. Over here you see half leaf is there. So another half will come here. Now start from this point to go till here. Now we have completed this box. Now let's go to this box. Here we see half of the leaf. So now let's start from the leaf end. Now we have finished half of the paper. Now let's start the bottom of this side. Do you know where to start from for this box? Yes, correct. The half of the leaf is here. So let's start from here. This is the end of the leaf. So let's start from here. Done. Now let's start over here. Start from the leaf end. So this is the leaf end over here. Now we have completed this box. So let's take this box now. This is the end of the leaf. So let's start from there. We have completed this side. Now let's do this side. The leaf end is over here. So let's start from here. We have completed our another box. There's only one more box to finish. This is the end of the leaf. So now let's start from here. We have finished our half of the box. Now let's do this box. The leaf end is over here. So now let's start from here. Now we have finished all the boxes. The remaining box only is the diamond. Voila! We have completed our Zentangle art. If you want to complete the Zentangle art, you can put lines inside the diamond. Or you can leave it blank and write your name inside. If you want to give it as a birthday card for your friend, you can write a birthday message in the diamond. Do you like this Zentangle art? If yes, give a thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye-bye.